Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make 3 different types of crochet cords. So if you're new here, welcome, thank you for stopping by. I hope that you will love this tutorial and you will learn as much as you can. So guys, let's jump in the video. So guys, to begin, I will start off by showing you how to make the I-cord. So to begin, we are going to make a slip knot. So you can make your slip knot however comfortable you feel. I normally just make mine like this. Now that I have my slip knot, I am going to go ahead and chain 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now that I have my chain 3, I am going to insert my hook into the second chain, pull up a loop. Now I have 2 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over, go through that first loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. You're going to go into the second chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through that first loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. You're always going to finish off with 3 loops on the hook. Make sure that you pull up with your hook like this to make sure that you have enough space. Now you're gonna release your hook from 2 of the loops like that. You are going to yarn over and pull through that first loop. Going to the second loop, yarn over, pull through the second. Going to the third loop, yarn over and pull through the third loop. You have 3 loops on your hook again. Make sure you're holding on the bottom part here so that it stays in place. Now you're going to release your hook just like that, yarn over, pull through the first hook, the first loop, go in the second loop, yarn over, pull through, third loop, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook again. Release your hook from 2 of the loops, yarn over, pull through the first one, insert into the second loop, yarn over, pull through, third loop, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. So you're basically going to continue doing this all the way until you get to your desired width. Once you start to go up into your rows, you will notice that your cord starts to form and it's going to look something like this. So I am just going to continue making a couple more rows and then I will meet back with you. So once you get the drift of it also, it will just come in very easy and you will start to do it more faster. So there. So I will see you after I do some more rows. So guys, now I have made this long enough so you can see how nicely done that is. So if you're making a drawstring with this, all you have to do is just get your needle and weave in this tail end by just inserting your tail end up inside of the braiding. And if you want, when you're finishing off this part, you can just go ahead, yarn over and just make a slip stitch just like this and just chain 1, and you will just repeat the same thing, braid in or weave in the tail end inside. So there it is. So I am now going to show you how to do the half I-cord. So you can use 2 strands of yarn, or you can make a long tail end and do a slip knot. You can do your slip knot like this. Let me just use my hook. Just like that. And now that I have my slip knot there, what you're gonna do is you are going to yarn over. So you're gonna hold both strings like this, and you're gonna use your hook to yarn over from this first one, then the second one, and then you're gonna hold the bottom, and then you're gonna pull through. So yarn over on the second, hold the bottom and pull through. Yarn over from the first string, second string, yarn over and pull through. Again, and you will notice that it starts to braid nicely. Just take your time, practice until you get it right. And once you get it, you will notice that you start to go faster and faster. So there it is. So it's a little bit similar to the full I-cord, and this is just the half one. So you can see it has a nice little point at the end. So continue to do this. You can continue until you get to your desired amount, and then you can just make a slip stitch and finish off. So you can just go like this. So there it is. Or you can just continue to go more. So guys, now that I showed you how to make the half I-cord, now we're just gonna release and pull that out. And I'm going to show you again with the same yarn. Now we're going to move on to another cord. So now I will be showing you how to do the Romanian cord. So to do that, you are going to make a slip knot. Now that you have made your slip knot, you are going to chain 1 and 2. Now that you have chained your 2, you are going to go into that second hook there, a loop I should say, or second stitch. Pull up a loop, you're gonna yarn over, and you're gonna pull through this first loop there, yarn over and pull through the next one. Now you are going to turn your work. Now that you have turned your work, you're gonna see a little loop right here. You are going to insert your hook there. You're going to yarn over, pull through that loop, yarn over, and make a single crochet. Turn your work. You're going to see 2 loops now, and from going forward, you will always see 2 loops. So you're going to insert your hook into both loops, pull through, yarn over, and make a single crochet. Turn your work again. See these 2 loops, you're going to insert your hook there, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops, yarn over, and make a single crochet. Turn your work again, and you're just going to repeat the same method. Making your single crochet at the end, turning your work, going through those 2 loops, then single crochet, going to the loops again, and again you can make this as long as you want. You can use this to make whatever you want to use it to, like a bag strap or a purse or something. Now that I have my 2 loops there, I'm just gonna make my single crochet, turn, and repeat. So I'm going to continue doing this so that it can get a little bit longer, so you can see the beauty of this stitch or this cord. So I'm going to continue doing it and I'll see you at the end. So guys, there it is. It is looking super cute, and as I stated before, you can use this to make a strap for a bag or a purse. You can go ahead, weave in the tail end going on the inside, and yeah, that is pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope that you learn how to make these 3 cords that I showed you today. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.